Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you can see today I am already masterized. I do my brow. Today is a full face of makeup. It's been a while I haven't done a full face of makeup on camera. So I am going to use a eyeshadow palette here that I picked up. So if you want to see this look, you guys keep watching. So this is the eyeshadow palette from Profusion, you guys. It's been a while I haven't done a Profusion look from an eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow is warm hearted and 35 shade come in it, you guys. So this is the color here, and I am going to show you. It have a plastic there which I don't take off, and this is how the color for the eyeshadow look. So if you want to see this look, you guys, just this video today is not gonna be of a talking video. This video is just gonna be a video that I don't talk until the end of the video. So these are the colors. So I'm gonna go into this one first, and the brush I am using today is from elf. I'm gonna put this all over my lid here. So guys, the eyeshadow is giving me a lot of trouble. Like it's just pure matte in this eyeshadow palette. Some of them are powdery. So I am going to go into this champagne color here and see if I can get it on the lid. You can see it's not really putting on that good. It's not. Okay, so I am going to just blend. It's not, I expect it to work a bit better, but I'm gonna go back into this color here and make sure I put it on the eyes. And this beauty, I am gonna try a bit of color from this one here and see if I can get it. So this is Honest Beauty. I am gonna get something from here and put it on the lid more to see. These color that I'm putting in from the other palette, they are giving me hell, giving me a So I am going to put on some foundation on my face. The foundation today, I am going to use my Physician formula. This is the foundation that I am going to use, and I am going to put it on this brush here. That's a small buffing brush from Elf. So guys, I am back with my final look for my full face of makeup eyeshadow palette, you guys. So I use the eyeshadow from Profusion, Warm Hearted. You have 35 shades in it. These are really nice color, but the only thing about this palette, like, it just pure matte in it. There was one color here that I was having problem with to pick up, and this was this white champagne-ish color. I was trying to use this on the lid here, but it wouldn't take. So then I have to go into another palette, you guys, to get the color to put on the one that I put before. But I have to work hard with the white color here, and then sometimes I have to get off to fix it, make sure that it was okay. So this is the final look, you guys, for my full face of makeup. And then I also use my Physician Formula foundation. Everything I used was from Drugstore except for the finishing powder. It was from Kat Von D. And I just put on a lip gloss lipstick. Yeah, that's what I put on my lip. But overall, I like the look. It's not a bad look. It's just that I wish they did have like 1 or 2 pigments into this palette, you guys. but the color are all matte. These color are really nice matte color here, and they are, you can get some really nice neutral look from it. These are the colors anyway. Yeah, you have two of this color in it, and then you have all the rest of these color. So this is my final look for my full face of makeup. I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much again for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Please turn on notification bell that when I upload a video, you can be notified. Stay safe, stay beautiful. God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.